Unit 3.1, Lesson 3, Types of Reactions. Chemical reactions can be classified into general categories based on how the atoms in the reactants rearrange to form the products. Double exchange, single exchange, decomposition, combination are just 4 common categories of chemical reactions. Toxins can react in any of these ways in the body, depending on the circumstances. Often, the result is that the toxins displace an atom or atoms from a compound that already exists in the body, creating a new compound with different properties. As a result of this lesson, you'll be able to identify patterns in chemical equations that reflect different types of reactions, and you'll be able to classify chemical equations as representing combination, decomposition, single exchange, or double exchange reactions. Chemical reactions can be divided into categories based on how the atoms in the reactants rearrange to form the products. The 4 categories we explored today are combination, decomposition, single exchange, and double exchange reactions. In a combination reaction, several reactants combine to form a single product. Combination reactions are easy to spot because there is only one compound on the product side of the equation. The general reaction can be written as substance A reacts with substance B to produce substance AB. In a decomposition reaction, a compound breaks down as a result of the chemical change. Decomposition reactions are easy to spot because there is only one reactant. The general reaction can be written as substance AB produces substance A and substance B. In a single exchange reaction, a compound breaks apart, and one part combines with the other reactant, either an atom or a group of atoms such as hydroxide, carbonate, or nitrate. Typically, one of the reactants is an element. The general reaction can be written as substance A reacts with substance BC to produce substance AC and substance B, where A displaces B. In a double exchange reaction, both reactants break apart. Their parts then recombine into 2 new products. Therefore, the 2 reactants exchange parts. The general reaction can be written as substance AB reacts with substance CD to produce substance AD and substance CB, where B and D exchange with each other, or A and C exchange with each other. Please note that different reaction classification systems and different textbooks sometimes use different vocabulary words to describe these reaction types. For example, combination reactions are sometimes called synthesis reactions, and the single and double exchange reactions are sometimes known as single or double displacement. Toxins can react in any of these ways in the body, depending on the toxin and the circumstances. The result is that toxins often displace an atom or atoms from a compound that exists in the body, creating a new compound with different properties that may be harmful. Let's wrap up this lesson. How do atoms rearrange to form new products? Atoms actually rearrange themselves in very predictable ways. Chemical reactions can be sorted into categories based on the pattern of how the atoms in the reactants rearrange to form the products. There are 4 general types of chemical reactions that we looked at: combination reactions, decomposition reactions, single exchange reactions, and double exchange reactions. We will be looking at combustion reactions where things are burning a little more closely once we start looking at energy reactions.